Welcome to Wernigerode, the colorful town in the Harz mountains, and oh yes, it definitively has a lot to offer. There are the wonderful half-timbered old townhouses, but there's also the neo-Gothic Wernigerode castle high above the city. There are various museums and the wonderful town hall, small streets and strange houses, and of course, the narrow gauge railway. After a long day on the narrow tracks, you might want to eat something delicious and put your tired head on a comfy pillow. And for a real railway fan, nothing is better than a railway hotel. And yes, here in Wernigerode, there is a totally fantastic hotel with a direct view on the Harz narrow gauge railways, the Altora Railway Theme Hotel. This hotel opened in 2008 and includes 2 half-timbered houses that were joined together and an extension that was added in 2016. It is not only close to the train station, but also the city center with the town hall can be reached on foot in just a few minutes. And once you enter the hotel, the designation as railway-themed hotel, you will see is not made out of thin air. For real train fans, there are even special railway rooms. As soon as you enter one of these double-bed rooms, the large picture of locomotives catches your eye. And the second look? Well, this just has to go out of the window, where we have a direct view of the depot of the Harz narrow gauge railways. From here we can comfortably watch the trains coming in and out, or even watch the coaling of the steam locomotives. What else do we want? There is virtually no reason to leave the room. But the railways don't stop there. It continues into restaurant 1835. This restaurant is super cozy, and while you can find a bar, counter or reception anywhere in the world, here you will find a ticket office, a luggage station or even an express delivery. And once you sit comfortably by the windows and let your gaze wander through the room, you can discover all kinds of things. Then maybe let's start ordering our drinks. These will be delivered in style of a G-gauge model railway. Well, what more do you want? What more do we want? Well, maybe something to eat. Then let's delve into the menu. How about the crackling train as a starter? Or the bigwig slingshot? Although I would actually like to try the molly. And if you only understand railway, you're not completely wrong. The local dishes, which are of course all lovingly prepared with fresh ingredients, have all been given interesting names. The Knatterbahn, so the crackling train, is actually a mixed leaf salad with cherry tomatoes and marinated cheese in a raspberry dressing, served with a baguette. And the bigwig slingshot is fried shrimp. And if you order actually the so-called molly, you will get baked camembert with cranberries and toast. And if we move on to the main course, well, I won't tell you what's behind the porter's souper or the Shanta's favorite meal or the Harz camel. You'll have to come here yourself. But I'm going to try the tiger drum for a starter, a homemade soljanka. It's really tasty with cucumber, onions and peppers, just the way I love it. And secondly, I will have the gatekeeper's dream, baked meat with cheese. The portions are really big and they taste good too. And if you want to make your sweet tooth happy, I can recommend the Zugspitzbahn. Should I give a hint? Under that name, you will get an apple strudel with vanilla ice cream and vanilla sauce. This is a wonderful way to end a day. And last but not least, well, let's take one last drink with the train. Of course, tomorrow morning I will continue exploring not only Wernigerode, but I will take the first train of the morning going up into the mountains on narrow gauge. So, well, maybe before we go to bed, let's have one last look on the narrow gauge while the sun slowly goes down.